Good luck to my husband because I just got a mechanical keyboard and I'm about to be 10 times more annoying. Hi, my name is Yvette and my husband and I run a design studio from our living room. A few months ago, I stumbled upon Keyboard Talk and I would always watch these live stream where they just taka 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 taka. And that's when I knew I had to get one myself.
Oh my gosh,
Huh?
oh my gosh!
I've been going back and forth with a couple of different brands, but one thing I know for sure is I want a pink keyboard.
Wanna sample?
I also don't know anything about keyboards, but what I do know is I like it when they sound fuck. I don't know, but I hope that makes sense. And guys, the moment I laid eyes on this keyboard, I fell in love.
Love, oh my gosh! It's perfect!
I don't think I've ever been this excited over a desk upgrade. Now I understand why people love mechanical keyboards. Is it loud? Yes. But do I love it? Yes. Absolutely, 100%.
Hi everyone, I have a new keyboard and I love it.